guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about payplan24.com. To get the referral link, you need to go to the description section below, click on the link and get started. Now as you can see, I've made a total withdrawal of $22. Yes, so if you want to know more about the platform, all you have to do is click on this this graph here down below. Then you would see how the platform works and next few things you need to check out. For example, on the platform, total trading volume on the platform on Payplan24 exchange is $5,944. Now they have done about 32 transactions so far, and they have about total registered users of 243 plus. Then total users online today is 178. Now this video actually explains what they do, how they operate. So but one thing you need to know is that this platform pays up to 15%, 10% and 5% per level when you refer people, and they have a trading method which is based on artificial intelligence. So if you are a crypto lover but you don't know how to trade, you know how to get started with crypto trading, this is the best platform for you, because all you have to do is just deposit your funds and they trade for you, you make your money, and that's it. So the pay is instant. Yes, I've experienced that. So you make between 1.2% to 3.6% interest in 6 hours. So your interest comes in hours. Yeah, so in 6 hours you make your interest. The initial deposit before the initial investment plan was about $10, but now I think it has been increased to $100. Yes. Now one thing is this: to recharge your account, just go to the left hand side, click on recharge. You have to deposit USDT TRC20. This is the wallet address. For me, if you want to dash me money, you can actually just deposit there. Just joking. So you have to copy your wallet address, go to Binance or whatever exchange you use, send TRC20 USD token there, any amount you want to invest. On the other hand, if you want to withdraw on the platform, you also need to input your TRC20 USD token wallet address. Then you'd see the available balance. One good part about this platform is that even though the least investment is $100, your withdrawal can be as little as $1. But always note that they will charge you a fee of 3% per withdrawal. Yes, 3%. So whatever you are withdrawing, you should note that, because of what you'll be getting in return. Now the investment plan they have here, this is for levels. Once you refer people, so they have 3 levels. They have level 1, like I said, it's 15% referral bonus. Level 2 is 10% referral bonus, and level 3 is 5% referral bonus. So the more you refer people, the more money you make, the better your life gets, So to know the various investment plans that they have, you have to click at this center here. This will show you the investment plans that they have. They have the spot trading, they have the margin trading, and they have the AI tokens. Now, for spot trading, they have selected coins that they trade on. Yes, so it can be BTC, it can be ETH, it can be BNB. Don't forget that to invest on these things, you have to send in USDT. Then you come to trade. Then you click maximum or any amount you want to deposit, But the least they do is $100 for all these coins right now. When they started some days ago or some weeks ago, it was about $10. Yeah. So for you to withdraw them, to deposit, to start trading with them, you input the amount of dollars that you want, you enter it, and you click trade. If it's margin trading that you want to do, margin trading is expensive. It's about $5,000. It used to be about $500. It's now $5,000. Then we have the AI tokens. AI tokens is it's the most expensive. Is $10,000. You invest $10,000 on this platform, and you start making money. You start making between 1.2% to 3.2% in 6 hours. So they said estimated daily profit is 3.6% for this one. So after the whole day, in 24 hours, you make 3.6% of your capital. Now for sports, you make 1.2% of your capital. So that is how it works, guys. Now don't also forget that it is a compound interest. So whatever interest you make right now, it adds up to the other one that you invested, and you make more money, so it adds up. So if your daily interest is about 1.2% of $10, that means your next investment would be 11.2%. Yes, then you make 1.2% of 11.2%. So you have a way of multiplying your funds in a few days or weeks. So it all depends on your target, how much you want to make, how fast you want to make money, and all. So one thing about this platforms like this is that the earlier you join them, the better. I hope you understand. The earlier, the better. It is paying, and sincerely, I believe it will pay for a very long time. Yeah, because it's a trading platform, it's a forex trading platform, but you should know that early movers will actually earn a lot, but eventually it might not last forever. So the earlier you take the opportunity, the better, and the faster you make your decision, the more reasonable it is when it comes to investment, especially investing online. Yeah, these guys, if you watch this video, they claim to have been licensed by some US organizations to trade. So they have their licenses, they have the certificates there. I am not based there, I'm based in Africa, so there's no way to verify the certificate, but they have their details there, and you can just do your own research to see how it works. It is also important to note that these guys have a Telegram channel. So if you want to know more about them, you go to. So they have a Telegram channel. Also, they have the customer support. I think the name of the customer support is Susan, because if you click on it, you take you to the Telegram channel of Telegram account of Susan. Then they have the legal page. So the legal page talks about their certificate. They said they've been registered by NFA, paid by NFA, Bitlivecoin.ltd Limited. These are certificates that they display on the platform. If you have a way to check, please check and drop your comments in the comment section below for us to know if these things are legit or not. So for now, I can't really say if they're legit or not, but it's paying, and I believe it's going to pay a lot of people, at least for a start. So it all depends on what you want, your plans, and everything. So if you want the app, you can also download the app on Play Store or the App Store. They say trade on the go, anywhere, anytime. So you can download Payplan24 app on Android or App Store. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment section below, and please remember that this investment or this video is not mandating you to take to make your decisions. It is just to encourage you to make informed decisions when investing. Do your own research. This platform is new, like I said, so the information online are scanty. You can't really see much online. Yeah, but as long as it's paying, you can keep doing, and only risk the amount you can afford to lose. Plan 1 is $100. Plan 2 is $5,000. Plan 3 is $10,000. And sincerely, I think you should invest what you can afford to lose. Yes, $5,000 is a whole lot of money, $10,000 is a whole lot of money. So use your brain, use your senses, use whatever you have to do your own research before throwing in such amount of money to a platform like this. Thank you for watching once again, and bye for now.